Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate task management with Trello, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start automating task management with Trello, first, log into your Trello account. If you don't have an account, create one at Trello.com. Once logged in, create a new board for your project by clicking on the Create New Board button. Name your board according to the task or project you are managing. Next, add lists to your board to categorize your tasks. Common list categories include To Do, In Progress, and Completed. Now, add cards to your lists by clicking on Add a Card under. Each card should represent a specific task or item. Fill in the card with a title and, if necessary, a description to provide more context. To automate processes, navigate to the Automation button at the top of your board. Click on it, and then select Butler from the drop-down menu. Butler is Trello's automation tool that will help streamline your task management. You can create custom buttons, rules, and scheduled commands based on your needs. Choose Create Rule to begin setting up an automation trigger. A trigger could be when a card is moved to a specific list or when a due date approaches. After selecting your trigger, define the actions that should occur as a result. Actions can include moving cards, adding labels, or creating new cards. Once your rule is set, click Save to activate it. You can create multiple rules to cover various aspects of task management. To further enhance automation, explore power-ups that integrate with Trello. Click on the Show menu button on the right side, then select Power UPS. Search for power-ups that fit your automation needs, such as Calendar or Google Drive. Enable the desired power-ups to connect additional functionality to your board. Regularly review and update your automation rules and power-ups as your project evolves. This ensures that your task management remains efficient and relevant. By following these steps, you can successfully automate task management with Trello. You will save time and enhance productivity, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.